The first step is to remove the outer casing of the 360 plug. Pick up this gray plastic shell. Pick it up and remove it. The black terminal here should be tilted upwards slightly. Then pull it outwards. Loosen the rubber a bit. Remove the lenses after completion. Unplug the heating wire on the back. Remove the internal screws. Use needle nose pliers to clamp the two buttons and push them backward. Remove the front frame. After removing it, there is one here. Unplug the light. Take out the regulating motor. Unplug it like a plug. Use a pick to gently prick it from both sides. It can be taken out. There are 4 screws here. Unscrew all the screws. There's another one behind it. After removing these screws, we can slowly remove the lens. Before taking it, put the thread like this. Take it out of this clip. Pull out the wire harness. Remove its outer casing and then take out the 3 wire terminals of the adjustment code. It has buttons inside. Use a snap fastener to press them down. Be sure to take a picture before pressing it, and remember the order of its 3 lines. If it's wrong, the rest can't be used, or we can wrap it with tape. Then take out the wire harness. Here's where we put our spring removing tools. Then insert the end of the lead screw with the hole. Now we'll thread this wire through. Hook the lead screw and hang it like this through its hole. Hang it on this lead screw like this. We then tighten the screws after the lead screw is attached to it. Press down. We can see this after we press it down. The U-shaped retaining ring has separated from the base. We then use needle nose pliers to clamp and pull it out. If it's not easy to do, we can press it down a little more. Okay, then the U-shaped retaining ring can be removed. Let's loosen the screws again. Remove the wire below. Separate the base and then unscrew these 3 screws. After the base is separated, we then put the entire support frame. Remove the bottom layer of shell. It has some clips that we need to pay attention to. The last one is a small clip. We use a pry needle or a flathead screwdriver to pry it open. This way you can remove it. Then loosen these last 3 screws. Now put the motor on. Before the discharge machine, we need to tidy up the motor wires. You can pull it out first. You can also just walk through like that. From this position, tighten the 3 fixing screws. Make sure to tighten these 3 screws. The motor will shake if it is not locked. This causes the entire rear view mirror to shake. After assembly, put the outer shell back on. After securing it, tighten the screws. Then combine them together as before. Put all its original spring clamps back on. We put it back in the original direction. The tools and methods used are the same as before when disassembling. After we press down the spring, we put the original chain back in. Let's loosen the tools again. After loosening it, remove all the tools and other equipment. That way, the motor can be placed on top. Finally, we threaded the wires. Thread the motor wire through this hole. Thread the original wiring harness through the hole in the base. We pulled the original wiring harness out of this hole. This means the line speed shouldn't be too tight. Install its back cover. After locking it like this, we can tighten 1 or 2 fixing screws first. First, tighten the last one. At this point, we can thread the camera cable back in. Okay, now let's connect the camera cable. Insert it back into its original position. Now let's plug the 3 wires of the adjustment plug back in their original order. After plugging it in, use its original clip to secure the cable harness. Install the adjustment motor. Set in a fixed position. Plug in the ground light. Secure the motor. Tighten the fixing screws. Find the picture frame and plug in the light. Be careful not to let this line get crushed. Tighten the screws. Plug in the lens heating wire. Then press the mirror back down. Finally, we'll connect the video cable, camera cable, and motor cable. Pass it through according to its original routing position. Pull the thread out again. Press the rubber pad back down. Reinstall the video cable plug. Insert it all the way in. Just put the gray mounting shell on top.